School is an important part in a child's life. It not just educates the students, but also children learn moral values there. But the school in Shorapur show a dropout rate of more than 6%, which is highest in Karnataka.
ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಂತ.
The three aims of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan are enrollment, retention, and quality education. But there are more than 3,000 out-of-school children in Shorapur.
Dakalati Andolana. It is a program for doing the admission in the academy, in the beginning of the academic year. In the month of June, we are launching all these programs. Dakalati Andolana. From this program, we are improving the admission.
Although the enrollment goes very well in Shorapur, but the second goal, that is retention, is not achieved.
पेरेंट्स को बोले फिर भी है ना, खेत को गए तो 100-150 देते, स्कूल को गए तो क्या देते पैसे, ऐसा बोलते.
There are a lot of children who left school because of poverty. The data says 400 children left school for housework or engaged in other earnings. Chinnappa is a child who left school in 7th standard and is a mason in Bangalore now.
ಎಷ್ಟನೇದು 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓದಿದೆ 5ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓದಿದೆ
7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಕ್ಕ
350 ಬಸ್ಕರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Poverty is one of the major reasons for such a large number of dropout in Shorapur. But there are also many children who don't go to school because of no particular reason.
ಈಗ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನೀನು
ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ?
The teacher on their way to school asks the children to come to school or asks their parents to send the children to school. But they get a very light reply. The teacher feels that there is lack of awareness which leads to increasing dropouts among children in schools.
इधर एजुकेशन का अवेयरनेस बहुत होना है. इधर पेरेंट्स को
एरिया है ना, ये डेवलप एरिया नहीं है,
बैकवर्ड एरिया है.
रोजाना काम करके खाने वाले हैं.
Azim Premji Foundation is actively working for the education in Shorapur. According to them, literacy is also one of the reasons for out-of-school children.
The mother literacy program, that is mainly for the parents who are not illiterate. In that positions, the most of children are illiterate. I am becomes.
There are also some stories which are going around the taluk that stop parents from sending children to school.
ಮೂವರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿನಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ನೌಕರಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ನೌಕರಿ
ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಇದ್ರತನ ಗೋಧಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಯಾನ ರೊಕ್ಕ 70-80 ಸಾವಿರ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾನ.
ಚಂದಪ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡವನೇ ಏನು ಬರವಲ್ದು.
ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದಿದ್ವು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ, ಒಬ್ಬ 9ನೇದು ಓದಿದ ಸತ್ವ ಅದ, ಇವ ಒಬ್ಬ ಓದಿನ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಕುಂತಾನ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
The teacher feels there is a need for awareness, but they don't have any material to influence the parents.
गवर्नमेंट का है ना स्कीम है ना, वो लोगों को बोलते, स्कॉलरशिप का बोलते, खाने को देते बोल के, फ्री बुक्स है, फ्री कपड़ा है, सब कन्विंस करके बोलते, फिर भी नहीं सुनते वो लोग. तो पोस्टर से काम नहीं होता ना, हाँ नहीं तो वीडियो बोले ना, आप वीडियो बोले ना, वीडियो दिखाए तो थोड़ा चेंजेस होता.
On the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan website, there is a video starring Ranbir Kapoor, Katrina Kaif and other celebrities. But the question is, how much is it accessible to rural areas?
शिक्षा मेरा अधिकार है.
It's not given to us. If the government provide, we will accept and propagate through these medias.
Lakshmi Bai School is the school with lowest number of dropout children. The teachers here believe that it is the smart class facility that started a year back attracts people.
Project five. In every class there is one. No, 5 class also.
5 class. We are shifting class 1 class to another class.
Azim Premji Foundation has a small library which can be used by interested teachers. They also make videos of lessons taught in school.
बच्चों ने टेक्स्ट बुक में सिर्फ पिक्चर देखते हैं, उससे क्या होता है उतना क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलते बच्चों को। सिर्फ पिक्चर देखने से हाँ शायद होगा ऐसा होता है। ये वीडियो देखने से बच्चों को क्या लगता है कि वो कैसे इंसेक्ट को खाता है, ये बच्चों को मालूम होता है, उसको क्लियर अंडरस्टैंड मिलता है, रियलाइज होता है हाँ ऐसा है।
Teachers can show these videos to students by lending the projector and the CD for a day or two.
We came here and getting the projector and laptop to carry the school and show and next in teaching process small videos. For example, it is a photosynthesis is a system. It is can't show students. But in video clips, we show the video clips to the students. Students getting the knowledge how to process the photosynthesis.
Azim Premji Foundation also distributes posters and some banners for history subject to the 400 schools across Shorapur. There is also one B.Ed school where the students aim to change the situation.
सर्व शिक्षण अभियान बोले तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, 8 to 9% है और अपना अजीम प्रेमजी फाउंडेशन में 5 to 6% है।
The students feel that the education department cannot do much as it is not just the education system.
लेबर ऑफिसर सब सो गए, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहे लेबर ऑफिसर। बहुत दुकान में देखो, वाइन शॉप में देखो, होटल में देखो, सब बाल बच्चे हैं। वो बाल बच्चे किसको चड्डी शर्ट भी नहीं पहनने के लिए आता है, वो काम करने के लिए आता है। इसलिए क्या है उसको क्यों आता है, वो पेट का वास्ते आ रहे हैं वो सब लोग बच्चे। इसलिए ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, सरकार भी कुछ देख नहीं रही उसको।
The education officer, however, does not agree to this. According to him, everybody does their job well.
The district deputy commissioner is the boss, head of the district. Deputy commissioners and all the district officers and taluk officers, they are involving in this campaign to avoid dropouts from the schools. Labor officer in taluk and also district, they are trying to identify the child labor and make them to attend the schools or enrollment or getting admission in the schools. They are trying to bring back those children working under this field, child labor.
A survey that was done in 2013 shows a lot of errors and the numbers of one they don't match the other. One of the participants who was involved in collection of data accepts that the reality is not what the numbers show.
वहाँ पे क्या था, 100 बच्चे में 5 मेंबर्स को ड्रॉप आउट लिस्ट में हम बताना, ऐसे थे हमारे बीआर से वही हमें बोलते थे। 100 मेंबर्स में 5 मेंबर्स को ड्रॉप आउट लिस्ट में डालकर छोड़ो, ऐसे बोलते थे। फिर हम डालते थे ऐसे ही। ये एजुकेशन सिस्टम टीचर्स से करेक्ट है, लेकिन हमारे ऊपर वाले अच्छे नहीं काम कर रहे।
Although the BRC officer refused to comment on this at all, the block education officer did not agree to this.
As for the guidance and instructions given by our department, education department, we did this survey, school survey, and the what do we call it, Kannada Kutumba survey, Makkala survey. Schools, in the schools we did a survey and also visited the families and did survey there. Promptly we did this work. There is no any mistakes. As per the direction given by our higher officers in the department, we promptly 100% we did this survey. Out of school children survey, correctly we did this survey. There is no mistake.
As from the block education officer, lack of teachers has been a problem in education in Shorapur.
Here, shortage of teachers. In our taluk, more than 400 vacancies are here. 400 in the primary schools, 400 teachers vacancy here. It is very difficult to run the schools.
Lack of teachers, poverty, lack of awareness, and outdated technology are the major issues due to which 100% literacy is not yet achieved in Shorapur. there's a bit of hope from the upcoming teachers who are passionate to change the way things work here.